Where to locate carbon monoxide alarms? In accordance with European Standard EN 50292, this tutorial gives general guidance on where to fit carbon monoxide alarms. Which rooms? Ideally, carbon monoxide alarms should be installed in every room containing a fuel-burning appliance. If it is not feasible to fit an alarm in every room with an appliance, priority should be given to rooms with flueless or open fluid appliances and rooms of high occupancy, for example, living rooms and bedrooms. If the dwelling contains only one fuel-burning appliance located in a remote room, for example, a utility room or garage, then consideration should be given as to whether or not adequate warning is given for occupants in other rooms, such as living rooms and bedrooms. If it is deemed that the alarm sound levels are inadequate, then move the alarm outside the door of the room with the appliance. If the sound levels are still inadequate, consider moving the alarm closer to the occupied area. Where in the room? In a room with an appliance, the alarms should preferably be positioned on the ceiling at least 300 mm from any wall. While not recommended, if it must be placed on the wall, it should be at least 150 mm from the ceiling and above the height of any doors or windows. Position the alarm 1 to 3 meters from the appliance and always place the alarm on the appliance side of any obstruction. When located in rooms without an appliance, place the alarm at breathing level. Where to avoid positioning alarms? In an enclosed or obstructed space, directly above heating or cooking appliances, directly above a sink, next to doors, windows, extractor fans or air vents, in an area where the temperature exceeds -10 degrees or +40 degrees Celsius, in any contaminated or dusty environment. Why interconnect alarms? An alternative method of ensuring that the sound levels are adequate throughout the property is to interconnect 2 or more carbon monoxide alarms using radio frequency, RF-enabled alarms. Place one alarm in the room with the appliance and the other in the occupied area. The advantages of interconnecting are: A. An alarm is still placed close to the potential source, which should facilitate early detection, and B. The alarm located in the occupied area does not have to wait until it detects carbon monoxide to sound, therefore providing early warning.